3 years ago, my student Maria stood in a coffee shop for 10 minutes, completely frozen. She couldn't order a simple coffee because she was terrified to speak English. But today, she works in New York and speaks English confidently every single day. And you know what changed everything? Just 15 minutes of practice, exactly like what we're doing today. If you can understand me right now, you're ready. Let's begin. Welcome back to Audi Lingo English. I'm Hasu, and today we're doing something special. No boring grammar, no confusing rules, just you and me speaking English together. By the end of this video, you will speak 12 real English sentences with confidence. Before we start, do one thing for me. Put your phone away, close other tabs. For the next 10 minutes, it's just you, me, and your voice. Good. Let's start. Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up in an English-speaking country. Maybe America, maybe England, maybe Australia. You're hungry. You walk into a small cafe. Someone smiles and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" This is your moment. Today, we're preparing you for real English, not textbook English. Real English people use every day. Let's start simple. Good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. Again, with more energy. Good morning. Perfect. How are you? Your turn. How are you? One more time. How are you? Great. Now respond. I'm good, thank you. Say it. I'm good, thank you. Again, a little faster. I'm good, thank you. Excellent. Quick reminder, don't just listen, speak out loud. Confidence comes from speaking, not watching. Now let's order food. Listen first. I'd like a coffee, please. Your turn. I'd like a coffee, please. Again, I'd like a coffee, please. Very good. Next sentence. Can I have a sandwich? Say it. Can I have a sandwich? Again, can I have a sandwich? Perfect. Now finish your order. That's all, thank you. Repeat. That's all, thank you. Excellent. Now let's do a short role play. Good morning. How are you? What can I get for you? I'd like a coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? Can I have a sandwich? Sure. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Amazing. You just had your first English conversation. Now let's learn how to ask for help. This sentence is very important. Sorry, I don't understand. Say it. Sorry, I don't understand. Again. Sorry, I don't understand. Good. Next one. Can you speak slowly, please? Your turn. Can you speak slowly, please? Again. Can you speak slowly, please? Perfect. Next. Can you repeat that? Say it. Can you repeat that? Excellent. These 3 sentences give you power in any conversation. Now, polite English. Excuse me. Say it. Excuse me. Good. Next. Thank you very much. Say it with feeling. Thank you very much. Nice. Last one. You're welcome. Your turn. You're welcome. Great job. Now let's do one full conversation. Good morning. How are you? Can I help you with something? Yes, I'd like a coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Here you go. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. You did it. You just completed a full English conversation. Remember Maria? She started exactly where you are right now, one practice at a time. Your homework is simple. Practice these 12 sentences every day this week. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak in the shower. Speak to yourself. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. If this video helped you, like it so more beginners can find it. Subscribe for more easy English speaking practice. Comment below, which sentence will you practice first? Remember this, you're not learning English, you're speaking English, and you're doing amazing. See you in the next video.